This is Wade Harvey at idealprogrammer.com, where you'll find over 300 hours of free .NET video tutorials. Today we're talking about SQL Server and particularly services. But before we get started, I'd like to take a minute to talk about the philosophy behind the website. Philosophy, what you find is that for every actual object there's an ideal, which is just a mental picture in our brains of what the object ought to be. And if there's a difference between this mental picture and the actual object, it produces a tension within us. And the way we reduce that tension is by performing a massive action to transform the actual object to the ideal. Now, this same concept applies to ourselves. When we fall short of our ideal, we feel a tension within us. And this tension is actually the strongest source of tension in our lives. By strongest, I don't mean the most intense sources of tension, financial gain, hunger, the basic needs can override this tension between ourself and our ideal, but this is the most enduring source of tension in our lives. So we need to take action to try to change our actual self to become more like our ideal. And in this site, what we're doing is presenting ideal models of programmers, usually from Microsoft, on how to program to help us find how to change ourselves more to become more like the ideal. So click on the SQL Server link, and this will bring up a page. 8 hours of free video from Bob Tabor. Go down to the bottom. This is a 13-video series. And last week we talked a little bit about using reporting services. And this week we're not going to use wizards. We're going to build them from scratch in Business Intelligence Development Studio. So please come to idealprogrammer.com to view this and many other videos for free. Thanks. At idealprogrammer.com, you'll find over 400 hours of free .NET videos. You'll learn how to become an ideal programmer by modeling yourself after over 50 expert instructors. These are the best instructors in the field. They either work for Microsoft, or they're Microsoft evangelists, or they've how they distinguish themselves in some way. You'll have access to Progress Monitor, which is a tool that makes it easy for you to track the videos you've watched. When you've got over 400 hours of video laid out for you in a highly organized syllabus, it's important to be able to monitor which ones you've watched. It makes it more fun to see your progress as you go along. And this tool does just that. You'll learn how to burn videos to DVD. Now this is important because it allows you to decouple yourself from the computer, and you can watch videos on TV or a portable DVD player anywhere you want. And finally, you'll learn how to demonstrate your skills. Instead of just telling people that, oh, I can do this, you'll be able to demonstrate your skills by building a portfolio of websites with Discount ASP. So I highly encourage you to come to idealprogrammer.com right now. You'll be better for it, and you'll become more like your ideal self.